Hello everybody, good evening. Today I want to show you how to convert a MIDI file to a WAV file on a Mac M1. It's the same on Mac M2, I guess. So I created a little MIDI file with the help of musescore. I know that's also possible to export WAV files, but I just found out how to easily convert MIDI to WAV on the Mac. For that I installed VLC with the help of homebrew like this, but I do not need to do this because it's already installed on my machine. Then I found a snippet on the internet how to convert a MIDI file with the help of VLC, and I put this in this little shell function. Yes, I use a timeout of 4 seconds because after calling this command VLC GUI is open and I wanted to close it after conversion. So yeah, that's all. Let's see what I have here. I have a MIDI file. If I try to play this with AF play, it doesn't work because the type is not known by AF play. So I call my created convert function, give it the MIDI file, and I want to get the WAV file. Now it's ready. Let's look inside my directory, and here we have a WAV file which is much bigger than the MIDI file, but who cares. Now let's try to play this one, and it works. Let me make it a little bit louder so maybe you can hear it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.